One of the best habits that I've acquired this year is running, cardio. Couple reasons. I'm fitter, so I'm healthier. I also feel fucking amazing. It's also a really hard habit because there's something hard about doing cardio, but when you're done and when you actually, like, when you get fit and you improve your fitness, your cardiovascular fitness, you actually enjoy it. Like runner's high, it's like a thing. You feel just fucking amazing. You feel better than ever. So since I started doing cardio the first day, that was like 4 or 5 months ago, I couldn't do more than 90 seconds like jogging in a row. My fucking calves were cramping, but now I can run like 12K without any problem. So it's like everything, you gotta just adapt, do it little by little. And it was horrible. My feet used to hurt, like everything was so painful. But if you keep doing it, you learn to enjoy it. And honestly, I haven't felt better. Like, I'm 34 and I'm feeling better than I was when I was 33. I'm fitter, stronger, and I'm about to run 25 minutes zone 4 cardio, so it's gonna be really intense workout. Let's fucking go. I did legs yesterday. My legs are so sore. I did hack squats and I PR'd my hack squat. And I know this round's gonna be so fucking hard. I'm not really looking forward to it, but in a way I am. Like, kind of like the suffering. It's weird. There's something cool about doing like really hard physical things. You feel awesome after. And while you're doing it, you're like, all you're thinking about is quitting. But at the same time, you're like, no, you can go, you can do it. It's only 25 minutes. I don't know why we do that. It's like torture. So I said I hit a new record. 5K, 23:17. Wow, I wanted to quit since minute 12. It's less than halfway. But I just kept saying, telling to myself, like, just fucking go, do it. Don't be a pussy, don't quit. I've gained like 7 pounds over the past like 8 weeks, so I can definitely feel them in my runs. It's so much harder now. That's because I want to gain some muscle mass. And I know that when I lose 10 pounds for the half marathon that I'm doing in December, I'm gonna be fucking flying. Because I gotta carry all this weight now. I can definitely feel it. It's so hot too. But again, it's like there's something special about doing really hard physical things. At least for me. I've always liked it since I was like 11 years old. I did like crazy shit. So it feels really good. Despite feeling like hell, it's weird. Some people will get this. And if you don't work out or you do cardio, you're missing out on feeling amazing. Whatever you're going through life, it's gonna be better if you're in shape. If you're going through the best time of your life, it'll be better if you're in shape. If you're going through the worst time of your life, it's gonna be a little better if you're in shape. That's all I got for you today.